Good morning friends. Today we are going to learn experiment number 4, that is human reproductive organ. Basically human reproductive organ is divided into two. Human male reproductive system and human female reproductive system. Today we are going to learn first about male reproductive system. So it has some parts, like some organs, like the first organ is testes. Here it is testis. It is located outside the abdominal cavity in the scrotum. So as to maintain the temperature for the survival of sperms, it is located outside the body. Then the function of testis is it divides mitotically to form sperms, to produce sperms, and second function is it produces the hormone testosterone, which is secreted only in male. So this is the testis. Second is tubular structure. In tubular structure, red testis, vas efferens, epididymis, vas deferens, and ejaculatory duct and urethra, these organs are connected. So here it is urethra, which passes urine from bladder. So this is the urethra, and the function of this is to travel, to help the sperm to travel. The function of urethra is also it helps in the process of traveling sperms. Then it gives nourishment to the sperms, and it helps in the process of fertilization. So this is about urethra. Now the next organ is a seminal vesicle. So in seminal vesicle, these are the pair. This is one pair of seminal vesicle, which is useful, or which is helpful in secretion of testosterone, as well as in secretion or in production of sperms. So secretion along with mature sperms is called as semen. Here a single prostate gland is there in, see, this is the prostate gland. Behind bladder, one gland is seen. This gland is there in क्या बोलेंगे हम, in accessory glands, in case of accessory. Second is Copper's gland is there, or it is also known as bulbourethral gland. So this Copper's gland, which is below the ejaculatory duct, or which is below the prostate gland, these two glands are accessory. Now fourth organ, that is urethra, passing through penis. This is penis, and urethra and penis is the one and the same thing, which is, as we have discussed earlier, penis transfers semen during intercourse, and urethra is common passage for sperm and urine. So this is about the male reproductive organ in human being.